So what we got right here is the inside frame of a tall side window on a kitchen, and it was rotted off at the bottom. It had some termites in it and stuff like that. They're dormant. So what I did was I went on and I put a square across here, and I cut this line at, and I cut this nail from this and cleaned all this out. So the next thing I want to do is I want to measure the thickness by going from here to the back inside against the sheathing. It's 1.5 inches, so it's as thick as a 2x4. Then I'm going to measure the distance this way across, and that's 2 7/8. So I'll take a 2x4, set a table saw to 2 7/8, and rip it down to this width. Then I'm going to come back here to the back, and I'll measure it back here, and it's 4.5, and at the front it's 4 3/4, because there's an angle where this right here goes down at an angle. So the next thing I'll do is I've already cut the board that I want to put in there, and I'm just going to hold it up here and make sure that I know that it's going to fit before I commit to try to drive it in there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some vinyl adhesive caulking, go across the bottom, and the two sides, and the top. It's going to squish all out of the hole and stuff when I drive it in there, but that don't matter. Now, the next thing I want to do, I'm just going to set it in here like so. With a hammer and drive it in. Just like that. Take my finger, just kind of clean some of the caulking out from around here. And we're gonna, that doesn't matter because we're gonna paint it later any fucking way. Alright. I'm gonna take this piece out to keep the hammer, take this and drive this board back a little bit. Kind of get him on up in there. Like that. Next thing I want to do is take a drill with a bit about the same size as my trim line. I'll drill 4 holes. Because it's treated wood, I want to make sure that I use a galvanized trim nail. Starting at the top. Put a nail in there. Sometimes you notice that your hammer is kind of slick and it slides against the nails. You just take and rough it up on some bricks or something like that, and I'll make you grab your nail a little better. Look at that shit. Again. right now with a nail set, you want to set your nail heads. Just like that. Using some good exterior wood filler. Put a little bit over top of the holes where the nails were. Now, go ahead on and caulk everything in. Smooth all that. Now, all I gotta do now is wait for the caulking to set up. Give that some time to when it's all nice and set up so that the paint will stick to it. I'll sand down the wood filler right there. Once that's all sanded down and everything, I'll go ahead on and paint it, and it's done. So that's how you replace the bottom edge of your fucking window casing or inside corner of a door or something like that when it rots off. So subscribe to Get Go TV, share the video, hit the notification thing. If you got any questions, leave a comment, and I'll get back with you with an answer. Y'all have a good day. Now that the wood filler and everything's all dried and sanded down, everything's all caulked and ready, caulked and set up, I'm going to go ahead on and paint this shit with some paint mix. This paint has a primer built into it, so we're using caulking Kensington paint on this exterior satin woodcroft, which is a Sherwin-Williams color. And there you go. I've got to do some repair right here. I'm going to cut all this out, replace this piece of trim in another video, and replace this piece in the bottom right here. But for right now, this inside of this door frame or window frame is all replaced with treated wood. And it's all sealed up and everything with vinyl adhesive caulk. And it's been painted and it's done. It's ready to go. And it won't rot again. So y'all have a good day, and make sure now subscribe to Get Go TV. That's important. And if you got any questions, just leave a comment, and I'll get right back with you. Have a good day.